Have you ever wondered why Indian women are known for their long, thick, and healthy hair? One of their biggest secrets is a natural ingredient that has been used for centuries: Amla Powder, also known as Indian gooseberry. In today's video, I'll be sharing exactly how you can use Amla Powder at home step by step to boost hair growth, stop hair fall, and bring back natural shine. By the end of this video, you'll know not only the benefits, but also the exact methods to use it for the best results. Let's get started. What is Amla Powder? Amla is a small green fruit packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. In Ayurveda, it's considered a superfood for hair. It strengthens the hair follicles, nourishes the scalp, and improves blood circulation. Regular use can result in thicker, stronger, and shinier hair. Let's talk about the benefits of using Alma Powder. Benefit number 1. It provides the scalp with powerful antioxidants and nutrients that protect from hair thinning and premature graying. Benefit number 2. Boosts hair growth naturally. The vitamin C in amla increases collagen production, which helps new hair strands grow stronger and faster. Benefit number 3. Strengthens roots and reduces hair fall. Amla nourishes the hair follicles, preventing thinning and breakage at the root level. Benefit number 4. Delays premature graying. One of the biggest reasons Indians swear by amla is its natural darkening property. It prevents premature gray hairs and keeps your hair looking youthful. Benefit number 5. Thickens hair strands. With consistent use, amla adds volume by strengthening the hair shaft, giving you fuller, thicker-looking hair. Benefit number 6. Fights dandruff and dry scalp. Amla's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help cleanse the scalp, reduce dandruff, and promote a healthy scalp environment for hair growth. How to use Amla hair mask for hair growth. Mix 3 tablespoons of Amla powder with water or aloe vera juice until it forms a smooth paste. Apply directly to your scalp and hair strands. Leave it on for 30-40 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. This will deeply nourishes the scalp, strengthens roots, and promotes new hair growth. Here's a tip for you. You can mix it with fenugreek powder or hibiscus powder for even better results. How to use amla and yogurt as a hair mask for shine. Mix 2 tablespoons of amla powder with 1/2 cup of yogurt. Apply evenly on scalp and hair. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse with a mild shampoo. Yogurt adds moisture and protein, while amla strengthens the hair. This combo is excellent for dull, dry, or frizzy hair. Tip: use once a week for a natural hair spa treatment at home. How to use amla oil as a scalp massage. Warm up 3 to 4 tablespoons of amla oil, or make your own by infusing amla powder and coconut oil for a week. Massage gently into the scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it overnight and wash in the morning. This will boost blood circulation, deeply nourishes follicles, prevents dandruff, and reduces hair fall. Tip: consistent oiling 1 to 2 times a week can drastically improve hair thickness. How use as a amla hair rinse. Boil 2 tablespoons of amla powder in 2 cups of water. Let it cool, strain it, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. This will add shine, reduces scalp buildup, strengthens strands, and prevents premature graying. Tip: this rinse also helps in keeping your scalp fresh and clean longer. How to use amla plus henna for natural coloring. Mix 2 tablespoons of amla powder with henna powder and water. Apply to scalp and hair, leave for 1 to 2 hours, then wash off. This is a natural way to cover grays, improve shine, and strengthen roots. Tip: this method is perfect if you want natural color without chemicals. How to use alma as dietary for hair health. Drink amla juice in the morning or eat fresh dried amla daily. Benefit: works internally to boost collagen, improve scalp circulation, and promote faster hair growth. Tip: combine external application with diet for the fastest and longest lasting results. And there you have it. Multiple ways to use amla powder for faster, stronger, and healthier hair growth. Whether you prefer hair masks, oils, or rinses, amla has a solution for everyone. Remember, consistency is key. Start with 1 or 2 methods and stick with them for a few months to really see results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's on their healthy hair journey, and of course, subscribe for more natural hair growth secrets. Comment below and let me know which amla method you're most excited to try. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.